Ladies and gentlemen,
list is the Power BI mastery with these 12 projects. So this is somehow posted by Boss Coder Academy. I'm not promoting anyone here. I'm just sharing some information with you guys because we used to repost it, we used to read it, we never have implemented it. So I would suggest you that you should implement this 12 projects. If not 12, just try to implement four of them. If you're going to implement four of them, I am damn sure that you are going to get the good job with a good package. So let me tell you what Power BI is all about. The Power BI is something data visualization tool, I would say, because in Power BI, like in generally like in Excel or in Python, we used to make graphs. We can make easily the graphs, but Power BI is something which will give you one complete canvas. One white canvas would be there, and you are free to post those visualization onto that graph. And that graph you're going to present in the front of your whole company, where you are going to tell what you have analyzed from the data and what prediction you have made. So Power BI is one of the best tool if you wanted to be a data analyst or if you wanted to be a data scientist. So I would suggest you to go with this. So let's see the projects one by one. So the first project is that basic level project, if they have mentioned that product sale data analysis. So if you're going with a company where like Amazon or something, they are selling the product. So if you are going into that company or your focus is toward that domain, so I would suggest you to do this. They have mentioned the GitHub source also, even though I will add it onto the description section. Another is the customer share. Again, if you are into the business field where you are selling the products or maybe a Netflix one, something like that. So then customer churn is very important. You have to get skill about the combo charts, bar charts, line charts, multiple charts are there. So you can use this GitHub for that purpose. You will definitely find the data also. Another one is the marketing campaign insight analysis. Marketing size campaign analysis one with like, because I'm selling a product on my own or maybe an individual or there are small company I'm owning. So there, if you are trying to run a marketing campaign, something to aware the audience or budget efficiency, whatever the issues are, if you are into that, then you must try this project. All the projects are not for the individual. So as per your interest in that particular domain, you have to choose the product and project and you have to work on it. Another one is the intermediate level project, which says that something related to finance. Okay, so they do have mentioned the GitHub resource link where they are using the DAX function. Till now, they have not used any DAX function. DAX is basically an expression to filter out some data or to apply some condition onto the data. So that they have covered in the intermediate level. Another is the market campaigning analyzer. Earlier, it was marketing campaign insights, only the insights which was already run like earlier. So now they are going to analyze it, evaluate the market like effectiveness of that particular thing and calculate the return of interest, that if we are going to interest this much amount onto that marketing campaign, that are we going to get the good ROI or not. So that is what that consists of. Earlier it was with the DAX, but now it is with the KPI graphs or data visualization, like multiple using A/B testing is also they have done. So I would suggest you that this is not from the personal one. I think this is from directly from the Microsoft. So yeah, this one you should must try. You may be getting the certificate also. This another is the HR employee performance track. We never want HR employee to track the performance because HR are those who are going to hire us. So if I am going to create it, I would use the graphs, charts, maps, and all. Yeah, they have also used the same. I think data integration analysis with analysis of employee performance metrics. So yeah, you can use this. This is from someone else, I think, from their team of Boss Coder Academy. Another is the advanced level project, which is related to the retail analysis. Retail, why they have mentioned it in the retail advanced is because retail consists of multiple different products, not only the particularly like in one like domain, I would say, because in retail there are multiple things. Inventory is also there, customer is also. How you're going to combine all those data? Your first task would be to combine all those data. Those are coming from the different sources. You have to combine it, then you have to apply some conditions onto it. It may be a DAX function or a Power Query or whatever is required into that. So you can use this. Other is the supply chain. This is also like something related to logistic and all. So this is a difficult one. So So if you are going to, I would suggest that just do one or two advanced project. It's gonna take some time for you if you are a beginner, but I would suggest you that you should do this advanced projects. Another is the healthcare one. If you are into somewhere like into medical, if you are interested, you find like yourself better in the healthcare data or medical data. So I would suggest you to do this. Expert level projects are also there. Real estate one. Real estate one, if you're going to do, you can like if someone is more into numbers, this is the best thing which you should do. Another is the manufacturing process efficiency analyzer. If I say personally, I have also not created this type. I'll like up to 10. I have done multiple similar projects, but not with the 11 one. I will also give it a try. Another one is the telecommunication customer churn predictor. Okay, yeah, I have done this. So I would say that this is to analyze the customer data and predict what churn rate they are, like what they are trying to buy or that type of things in the telecommunication. So these are all the